A senior official of the All Truck Driver Forum of South Africa and 2 truck drivers have been arrested on charges of incitement to violence on the N3 near Bergville in KZN. Police say the arrests are linked to a planned national shutdown over the employment of foreign nationals as truck drivers, with officers also investigating possible links to the stoning of a truck near the Colenso interchange.
Police in KwaZulu-Natal have arrested the All Truck Driver Forum South Africa National Office bearer for inciting violence along the N3 southbound in Bergville in the early hours of Saturday morning, May the 30th. Police were conducting patrols along the N3 when they noticed that the traffic was moving slowly until it came to a standstill. When police went to investigate, they found that there were about 10 people who were stopping trucks. Realizing the presence of the police, the suspects fled into the bushes and abandoned their vehicle, a white Isuzu bakkie with all doors open. Preliminary investigations uncovered that the bakkie belonged to a prominent ATDFSA office bearer. Inside the bakkie, police found an ATDFSA banner and stones. Whilst at the scene, a suspicious white VW Polo was spotted on the N3 northbound. Police followed it up and found that it had come to pick up the owner of the abandoned bakkie. The driver of the Polo and his passenger, both identified as truck drivers, were arrested together with the driver of the bakkie that came to rescue. The bakkie owner could be linked with the stoning of a bus on the N3 Colenso interchange moments before he was arrested. The suspects were being processed and more charges could be added.